In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get hosting or invoice. By the end, you'll confidently locate and download an official invoice for any completed payment in your hosting or account. This is especially useful for bookkeeping, reimbursements, or tax reporting, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by heading to Hostinger's H panel and signing into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your hosting services. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Everything we need is available in the main navigation on the left side of the screen. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal it. Next, click Billing in the left-hand menu. This is the central place for all things payments, your active subscriptions, methods, and records of past transactions. Inside Billing, open Payment History. You'll see a list of your payments with dates, amounts, and statuses, such as paid or pending. This timeline is your source of truth for which orders have generated invoices. Find the specific transaction you need. To view more details, click the small arrow or caret next to that payment. Expanding the entry reveals additional information about the order and, most importantly, the option to get your invoice. This view helps you verify you've selected the correct item before saving anything. Now, look for the Download Invoice button and click it. Your invoice will be saved as a PDF, typically to your browser's default Downloads folder. The document includes key details like the billing date, the services you purchased or renewed, the total amount, applicable taxes, and a transaction reference. Keep this file in your records, and if you're submitting it for reimbursement or accounting, consider renaming it with the date and order reference so it's easy to find later. If you don't see the download option, double-check the payment status. Invoices are generated for payments marked as paid. Pending or failed payments won't have a finalized invoice yet. If the file doesn't appear after clicking, check your browser's downloads list or try again after briefly disabling any pop-up or download blockers. You can also open the PDF and print it directly if you need a paper copy. For accuracy, remember that invoice details reflect the information on your account, including region and currency. That's it. Go to H panel, open Billing, head to Payment History, expand the transaction with the arrow, and download your invoice. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step, and you'll have your document ready in no time.